Next, we have a presentation on Terra LED. So, John, what do we have here?
Well, basically what we have here is a newest LED light. It produces 750 watt, equivalent 75,000 lumen. And the quality of the light is a 98.3 CRI, where also the red color, the R9 is 85.1. It's completely designed and made in USA. It's all US parts. The parts are made here locally, about 30-mile radius from here. It's a unibody construction, all one piece. And the cooling system, what is my invention, and a couple of days ago I got the notice from the US Patent Office that the patent is granted. The unit is absolutely quiet. There's no fan, there's no moving parts in it. It's a liquid cooling system that we can build any size. We're building now a 2,000 watt light that's gonna put out 250,000 lumen. It's they're gonna be focusable, remote control, and all the other goodies that the industry wants it. And it took me about good 3 years to develop it and build it. And there was also quite a bit of input by the Zsigmond Vilmos, the cinematographer that probably some of you or most of you know of it. He did the film The Deer Hunter, and then also he did the film The Encounter of the Third Kind that he got the Oscar for it.
We all know Vilmos Zsigmond ASC.
Well,
we miss him.
You know, all my respect to it. And Vilmos, wherever you are, thanks. And so it's the uniqueness that if anybody has a need for a bigger light or a smaller light, we can build it, or we're building them. We have also a smaller modular that each of them puts out 250 watt, and we can mount them 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, or 10 of them in a panel, and gives you the same quality, 98.3 CRI.
And it's a single source, it looks like.
Yes, yes. And as to the power supply, you can plug it in into 110 volt. You don't need a big cables. And 110 volt, 20 amp fuse will handle 3 of those lights.
So a lot of people, when they're rating LEDs, they talk about equivalency. When they say 750, they're talking about it uses, 90 watts, and it gives you the equivalent of 750. But you're actually talking about 750 watts of power usage.
Right, 750 watts, yes, that's correct.
And what do you think the equivalency is if you were to compare it to an HMI or a tungsten unit?
I would say 15K.
15K, okay.
And so I believe so we have the unique product for the industry. You see, where many other companies, they try to mimic the sun, by mixing red, green, all the colors. And by the time it comes out, they use it the next day, they mix it again, and the light is going to be different because the corrosion of the filaments. So here, you turn it on now, you turn it on 110, you still get the same quality light. So you don't need a color correction or any extra time for it.
Can we see what it does? Can we turn it on?
Sure. Clear prop.
Doing a little dance here?
Yeah, how about a waltzer? So that's the output of the light. And as I said it before, solid construction, made in USA.
And no warm-up like an HMI would take.
That's right. You can actually touch it here. You can touch it here. So you don't gonna burn your fingers or extra heat that would be generated.
And it doesn't need to come up to speed is what I meant as well.
Right. And the other things, in many lights you need a time to come up, the light to come on. Here you turn it on, it's instantly full power.
When are these going to be available for sale?
Well, actually, they are available now, so that anybody who wants to order it, we will be glad to take an order. And at the same time, if you have any need for a different light, you tell us, we're going to build it.
And what's the price range?
Oh, it's very inexpensively, $4,800.
And these available directly from you, or do you have dealers?
We are in the process of setting up dealer distributors, but now for the time being, they are available direct from us.
Anything you want to add?
Well, you know, it's what I would like to say. Some of the lights that are out on the market, they cost $14,000, $15,000, $16,000. Here for $4,800, you get a better quality and higher output. 5 years guarantee. Anything goes wrong with it, we replace it or repair it, no cost to you.
Where can they find out more information?
We are building now the website, and anybody is interested, my booth is over there, the number 20 table. You're welcome to come there and discuss any need you have.
And the name is Terra LED, T-E-R-R-A.
Yeah, the company that's producing it is Terra LED, but the trademark for the light is IATSE.
Actually.
And the IATSE, it's spelled A-X-Y, and they are going anywhere from 100 to 2,000. And their number, the 100 or 2,000, that's mean how many watt.
Yeah, really interesting. Thank you, John. Thank you, Lino.
Thanks, appreciating it. Thanks again for everybody.